So hello guys, I finally got the parcel of motivation from OnlyIAS. I took the PSIR September batch and I'm really excited to see this. Okay, I was playing shuttle and then I got a call that you got a parcel from OnlyIAS. Then I ran to the parcel office and I took this parcel. Here it is. Okay, and now it is in my hands and I'm really excited to open this parcel. Okay, without any delay, without any wastage, let's begin to open this parcel of motivation. Okay, in the name of UPSC. Here we go. Okay, just open this. Yeah. Oh, look at the design, man. International relations first book here. International relations. It will be reversed, but it's okay. Fine. Yay! Oh, sorry. So this one, international relations, comparative politics. Wow. So OnlyIAS, I want to personally thanks team OnlyIAS and my special thanks to Sumit sir. I have been following Sumit sir's editorials from 1 year and I'm really big fan of him, and at some point of time I wish to meet him after cracking my UPSC. So that's it, I got this. So let's start the preparation, and the classes were also going very well. Starting there was a little bit trouble. Sumit sir was not well, but the way he explains just fits into my mind. Okay, thanks for OnlyIAS team for all this material. I thank you all from my heart. Thanks again.